Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to log out of an account on Notion. Whether you're wrapping up your workday, switching between accounts, or just wanting a little more security, logging out properly is super important. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know step by step how to sign out confidently. So let's jump right in and make this easy. First things first, let's make sure we're actually logged into your Notion account. This might sound obvious, but sometimes when you're using shared devices or moving quickly, you might not realize which account you're in, so head over to Notion on your browser. Or open up the app if you're using the desktop or mobile version. Once it loads, look for the login button, usually right there on the main screen. Click that, and now you'll be prompted to choose your login method. Notion gives you a few options, like signing in with Google, Apple, or just your email and password. Choose whichever one matches the account you want to log out of later. Sometimes, especially if you have multiple accounts, it's worth double-checking which login you're picking, just so you don't accidentally sign out from the wrong one. Once you're all logged in, you'll land on your Notion dashboard. This is where all your notes, pages, and workspaces live, and from here, you can access everything connected to your account. Now, maybe you've finished up your session or you're about to switch users, so let's focus on how to log out securely. Keep your eyes on the top left corner of the dashboard. You'll see your profile name there, usually next to your workspace title or a little personal icon. Go ahead and click on that spot. It isn't always the most obvious button, so don't worry if you need to look around for a moment. Think of it kind of like the front door of your digital workspace. It's where you manage your account preferences and access settings. Once you click your profile name, a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this menu. It can include links to adjust your profile, change settings, and sometimes even switch workspaces. But we're interested in that log out button right at the very end. If you're thinking of it like closing a book after finishing your notes, it's exactly that. You're closing up for now, making sure no unauthorized person can poke around your workspace. Go ahead and click Log Out. The app or browser might take a moment to confirm your action, especially if you've been using it for a long stretch or have multiple tabs open, so just be a little patient here. Afterward, you'll be taken back to Notion's main screen, which is confirmation that your account has been signed out. And that's really all there is to it. If at any point you're unsure or something doesn't seem to work, double-check that you actually clicked your profile name in the top left, rather than another menu. Sometimes the interface updates, but these core steps generally stay the same. So there you have it. Logging out of Notion is quick, but it's always good to be mindful of your session security, especially if you're sharing a computer or working in public spaces. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions or need extra help, and subscribe for more straightforward tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and take care.